Hi guys, here 5 plus 2 is 7 times 3 plus 2 power 2 minus 1 in bracket. Now 7 times 3 plus this 2 power 2 is 4 minus 1 in bracket. Now 7 times 3 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. Now 7 times this is 3 plus 3 is 6. Now 7 times 6 is 42 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 42 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this pandas rule from order of operation. This is bracket, higher priority than other operation. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce the another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations pandas. Here, as per this order of operations pandas, the bracket is higher priority. Here we have two brackets. Inside the bracket is first priority. So we have to do this 2 power 2 minus 1 first. So 5 plus 2 times 3 plus this is 2 power 2 is 4 minus 1. Here 5 plus 2 times, here the bracket 3 plus inside the bracket is 4 minus 1 is 3. Now 5 plus 2 times, the bracket here is 3 plus 3 is 6. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. So 5 plus 2 times 6 is 12. Here 5 plus 12 is 17 is the correct answer.